Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a member of the team Yes and, a small software development team from Guelph, Ontario. Meet the rest of the team: Tamara,
Hi.
Benjamin,
Hey.
and B.
Hello.
In September, we partnered up with Community Living Cambridge, also known as CLC, to help participants living with FASD track their medication. We have spent the last 3 months conducting meticulous research to learn everything we could about our community partner and their needs. To understand these needs best, we have used prototypes to get their feedback on our design. Using knowledge gained from the prototyping sessions, we were able to design a system that would help those with FASD.
CLC is an organization that works with the community to provide services to individuals with developmental disabilities. They focus on assisting their participants in developing self-agency and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The services they provide are geared towards putting those individuals on their feet, whether that's employment, housing, or social opportunities. With the help of CLC, individuals are able to pursue their own life path.
A large portion of the CLC participants are affected by FASD. The challenges that these individuals face include limited cognitive flexibility, difficulty planning, difficulty with memory encoding, insufficient deficits in socialization and interpersonal relationship skills. CLC has asked us to partner with them in developing a software system that helps to increase the medication adherence and self-agency of the participants.
We developed a backend that had to work with web and Android applications. Our server had to be adaptable for it to work seamlessly with either front end. The idea was to provide the users with a platform where they could not only keep track of their medication, but also be able to interact with other participants and support workers. This would allow our users to connect with one another to talk about their experiences related to the challenges they face and how they have overcome them. This feature will allow CLC participants to cultivate a sense of identity within the community. Also, through connecting with their support workers, they are able to get the help they need as soon as they need it. The CLC staff would be able to view their progress and get notified about any inconsistent behavior.
After thorough research and collaborative efforts, we defined the problem by gathering and building a set of requirements. The framework that these requirements laid out was used to build 2 prototypes that we shared with CLC. CLC gave valuable feedback during those prototyping sessions, which we used to design the backend. This design specifically pertained to how the API was built and how the database was structured.
The software system is designed with the challenges of individuals affected by FASD in mind. It maintains a simple and intuitive interface while providing all the necessary options for participants to be able to track and adhere to their prescribed medication. The system sends notifications to help keep the participants on track. The notifications are optional and customizable. Users can choose if they want to be modified of the medication before the scheduled time, or they want to disable it altogether. It allows users to mark when they have taken their medications and present progress data to keep them motivated. They are able to set goals for themselves and make good habits to improve their overall health and lifestyle.
As with any big system, security has to come to the forefront of our design. This was the case when designing our database. We don't want to store plain text passwords because then any breach would expose our users' accounts. Instead, we append a string of random bytes to the password called assault before performing a one-way hash on it. This will make them nearly impossible to guess, and even if the database is compromised, everyone's account is secure for some time. And so, we present to you Pillar, a smart, scalable solution to help our friends at CLC.
Created using Powtoon.